Hi friends, today we are heading out to explore the very famous Kala Ghoda Art Festival in South Mumbai. Yes, Kala Ghoda Art Festival 2026. It's a 9 days event, starts on 31st of January and continues till 8th February. Today is 5th. This event is being held in the Kala Ghoda area of South Mumbai. I got on the train at Mumbai CSMT railway station and heading to the Kala Ghoda area, which is just 10 minutes walk from the station area. You can see the Mumbai CSMT railway station in the background. This is DN Road. DN stands for Dadabhai Navroji Road. Dadabhai Navroji Road, one of South Mumbai's most historic streets, known for its grand colonial architecture and old-world charm. You can see so many buildings, colonial-era buildings here. This road is named after Dadabhai Navroji. He was one of India's highly respected freedom thinkers. He was a social reformer, economist, and a political leader, and also the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament. During the British period, it was known as Hornby Road, Hornby, Hornby Road. But after independence, it was renamed to honor Dadabhai Navroji and his contribution to India's freedom movement and public life. I am now walking along the sidewalk on DN Road, which forms part of a designated heritage streetscape. The wide pedestrian-friendly pavements are known for their historic ground floor arcades that invite people to walk through them. And many of these structures were designed with covered arcade walkways like this at street level, offering welcome shade from the sun and protection during the monsoon. And the structure is lined with iconic Victorian, Neo-Gothic and Indo-Saracenic buildings. Now I am at the event site Kala Ghoda. This is one of the largest arts and culture festivals, attracting thousands of visitors every year. This is the entrance. I've just entered the festival premises now. This is the Kala Ghoda Festival signboard. Here, rows of colorful tents line the area, housing stalls run by people from different parts of the country. You'll find a wide range of vibrant items here, from printed clothing and accessories to decorative pieces, many of them especially popular with women and girls. Most of these products are handmade by talented artisans from across India. These products come from Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, two states known for their beautiful prints, colorful crockery, and a wide range of traditional crafts. These paintings come from Rajasthan, a state known for its rich artistic traditions. They reflect vibrant colors and themes inspired by royal life. And this stall by Yashaswini is a women empowerment initiative designed to support, uplift and create opportunities for women, especially at the grassroots level. The crafts on display come from Delhi, West Bengal and several other regions across India, each reflecting the unique traditions and artistic styles of its place of origin. And many of these creations are deeply rooted in age-old techniques, themes and cultural stories that have been preserved and passed down through generations. The primary focus behind the showcasing these crafts is to encourage and uplift village artisans by giving them a direct platform to present and sell their work. And this is Nima Goose Goose, a Ladakh-based initiative focused on natural and herbal products prepared using herbs and plants that grow in the high altitude regions of Ladakh. And this brand from Sikkim that focuses on natural chemical-free skincare products. Here, this is an initiative from Gujarat that supports rural women by helping them market and sell their handmade products. What really stands out to me is that the main objective of this festival is to support village communities by giving them a platform to promote and sell their traditional crafts. It brings artisans directly in front of a wider audience, helping them earn a fair livelihood while preserving age-old skills and cultural traditions. At the same time, the festival allows visitors to connect with authentic handmade products and understand the stories and effort behind each creation. I also noticed that most of these products and crafts here are made using 100% natural ingredients without artificial additives or harmful chemicals. Because of this, some items may be slightly more expensive. However, it feels like a fair trade-off for products that are healthier, environmentally friendly, and made with care. And these natural alternatives stand apart from mass-produced goods, which often rely on synthetic materials and processes that are not always good for our health or the environment. This is another beautiful art installation here. Interestingly, the Mumbai police have also set up a stall here, showcasing paintings created by members of the force. These are various photo frames by Mumbai police. And this is a Delhi-based fashion brand known for its embroidered bags, wallets and accessories. And the installation artworks are among the main attractions of the festival. And this statue you see here is not part of the Kala Ghoda Art Festival. It's a permanent landmark, and the very reason this area is known as Kala Ghoda, which literally means black horse. Historically, this sport once had a black stone equestrian statue of King Edward VII installed during the British period. Although the original statue was removed after independence, the name stuck and became an integral part of the neighborhood's identity. These art installations are among the key attractions that draw visitors here. Apart from the many other cultural experiences the area offers, they transform public spaces into open-air galleries, spark curiosity, and invite people to pause, observe, and interact with art in everyday surroundings. Each installation has its details mentioned below, helping visitors understand the concept and meaning behind the work. The Kala Ghoda Art Festival is more than just an annual cultural event. It's a living platform that brings together art, craft, food and people from across the country in the heart of Mumbai. And what makes this festival special is how it turns a historic urban space into a celebration of creativity, tradition and community participation. Equally engaging are the food stalls, which offer authentic regional flavors that go beyond typical street food. Many stalls focus on traditional recipes, natural ingredients, and home-style preparation. Visitors get to taste dishes from different parts of India. Art installations are one of the strongest highlights here because they take art out of galleries and place it directly into public space. These works are created specifically for streets, crossroads, and open areas of Kala Ghoda, allowing people to experience art while simply walking through the neighborhood. And this piece brings back memories of the old STD, IST and PCO era. You will notice a large number of students here, which is a common sight during this festival. Their presence adds a youthful energy and vibrancy to the atmosphere. And here is one of the most interesting art pieces here, a striking prawn sculpture made entirely from discarded plastic bottles. What looks playful and eye-catching at first glance also carries a strong message. The artist has transformed everyday waste into art, showing how materials we usually throw away can be reused creatively. And this is one of the many sculptures here.
त्याच्यावरती काय आहे सगळं जाळी
The Kala Ghoda Art Festival feels less like an event and more like a temporary city within the city. For a few days, this historic part of South Mumbai changes its rhythm. Streets that usually echo with traffic and routine conversations begin to hum with curiosity, creativity, and unhurried exploration. What makes this festival distinctive is how naturally it blends into its surroundings. Heritage buildings, old junctions, and open sidewalks don't act as a mere backdrops. They become active participants. Art appears where you least expect it. At a crossing near a wall or in a small open corner, an installation quietly invites attention. There is no pressure to understand everything instantly. People pause, observe, read, interpret, and move on, carrying their own meanings with them. And this installation represents time, mythology, and human responsibility through geometric visual language, as mentioned in the description. This festival creates space for a wide spectrum of creators. Emerging artists share ground with experienced practitioners. Traditional crafts exist comfortably alongside experimental art forms. You might see something rooted deeply in folklore just a few steps away from a contemporary piece responding to modern urban life. Handcrafted objects displayed here carry a sense of patience and time. And these are beautiful printed t-shirts, an item in great demand among teenagers. And here you can see groups of energetic college students soaking in the atmosphere, clicking pictures, chatting, and relaxing on the steps of one of the beautiful heritage structures nearby, possibly an art gallery or a museum. These moments capture the carefree, youthful spirit of the festival, where the space becomes a place not just for art, but for connection and shared experiences. The Kala Ghoda Art Festival began in 1999 at a time when there was a growing concern that Mumbai's historic Kala Ghoda precinct was slowly losing its cultural vibrancy. A group of citizens, artists, conservationists, and urban thinkers came together with a shared idea. Instead of treating art as something confined to galleries, why not bring it directly onto the streets and reconnect people with this heritage space? What started as a modest cultural initiative soon evolved into one of India's largest and most inclusive public art festivals. The aim was never just entertainment. The festival was created to reclaim public spaces, celebrate creativity in all its forms, and encourage citizens to engage with art as part of everyday life. The energy of the festival comes from its openness. Kala Ghoda does not shut itself off or create barriers. Anyone can walk in, pose, observe, participate, or simply pass through. And this accessibility gives the festival a unique pulse. Students, families, artists, tourists, office goers, and first time visitors all occupy the same space, each experiencing it differently. This installation pays tribute to Mumbai's iconic black and yellow taxis, which have long been an integral part of city's cultural fabric. More than just a mode of transport, these cabs represent everyday Mumbai life, carrying generations of commuters through changing times. By turning something so familiar into an art installation, the artist highlights how ordinary objects and experiences shape the identity and memory of the city. And what truly fuels the vibrant atmosphere is the way multiple forms of expression coexist. Visual art, installations, literature, music, dance, theatre, crafts, and food all unfold simultaneously. There is no single focal point. The experience changes with every turn, every hour, and every crowd that moves through the area. See these beautiful crafts from Manipur. We have seen some beautiful art installations, food stalls, and handicrafts from different states of India at this festival venue, Kala Ghoda Festival venue. And of course, there are dance and music performances and several workshops for both children and adults happening across different locations in this historic area, and many of which require prior registration. We just explored the most popular venue to soak in the energy and enjoy the artworks on display. So that's all for now. I'm signing off. Do check out my videos every Friday, 5:45 p.m. IST. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.